All right, we have 1 plus tangent squared of theta is equal to 1. All right, this right here should kind of tell you that that's an identity, and that's going to be equal to cosine squared of theta times 1 plus tangent squared is secant squared of theta. And let's go ahead and change one of these. Actually, we can change this one. We're going to go ahead and change that one. And we're going to keep the cosine squared of theta multiplied by secant is 1 over cosine. So secant squared is 1 over cosine squared of theta. And what do you notice about the cosine squares? They cancel out. I want that. Cosine squares cancel out. I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, do them a different color. They cancel out, leaving you just with 1. So therefore, that is what we were supposed to get. One is indeed equal to 1. Okay, that is number 16. Now at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and have someone from each class. I want you to go to YouTube, and it's already going to be set up. If it's not set up, make sure you just click on the internet icon to go to YouTube. And I want you to go ahead and type, whoever is up there, go ahead and type the following. Go ahead, take that out. That right here. You're going to go ahead and type in trig identities using the magic hexagon part 1. Okay, and I'm not a very big supporter of shortcuts or tricks or anything like that, because if you are taking the time to learn these tricks or to learn the shortcuts, why not use that time to actually just memorize the identities? And I mean, they're not that hard to memorize, but I know that some of you are having trouble with it. And I did show this to some students last year, and they were good at them. So we can go ahead and do that. So go ahead and click whenever someone types it in there. It should be this first video that you see up there.
Welcome to Trig.
And I want you to go through that video, pause it if you need to, do what you need to understand it, and keep your notes for that. Now this you can actually write in your notebook. Now the identities that we did, or the problems that we did, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, those are what I expect you to turn back into the substitute. If you needed more paper, you should have grabbed more paper, or if you have more than one to staple, the stapler is up there, but just make sure that you turn it into the substitute teacher. This part, again, go ahead and write this in your notes. This is the hexagon method. It's a short trick that helps some of you all, but remember, with my test, you're going to have 10 questions on the test. You're not going to have time to go, I mean, you can if you want to, but you have to go really quickly to draw that hexagon and make sure you know how to use it, because if you don't know how to use it, then there's no point in you drawing that hexagon. But this is an easy trick for some of y'all. They may need it. This is the hexagon method. If you need to take the quiz, if you haven't taken the quiz from me, you need to come take it after school or before school tomorrow morning. That's about the last time. Or you know what? Let's just go ahead and say before, but you have to take it by Wednesday, before or after school. But you are still responsible for that test on Thursday. So if you still need to take my quiz, it's before or after school, either today or by tomorrow, which is Wednesday. All right, please make sure you don't forget to turn in the problems that we did together. and go ahead and look at this video to help you learn or use the hexagon method to learn your identities. I will see you all later this afternoon or tomorrow. So have a good day.